Hi, my name is Gina Sara. My registrar is UN5CS120, and here I'm going to do IP address addressing and subnetting and to design the network. And here the IP address classes that is already fixed, that is for class A 1 to 127, for class B 128 to 191 for IP address, and class C 192 to 223, and class C 224 to 239, and for class C 240 to 255. And for default gateway, class A is 255.000. This is host, and here 255 to 55.00, 255 to 55.0. According to class A, class B, class C, the default subnet mask is being assigned here, and the problem is for the given IP address and subnet mask, calculate the network address for IP address, subnet mask, and the broadcast. Here 198.215. This is the network. This is a broadcast, and this is the IP first IP address and the last IP address for this problem. 92.215.176.128, and the browser is 255. The first IP address is 129, and the last IP address 254. And for the second one is the program, and the network is 145. 145.56.13.146, and here 131, 134 for the network, and this for the browser, and the first IP address is the last IP address. And for now I'm gonna go here. Based on the information, the graphic solution, design a network seems that will supply the maximum number of subnets and extra host for thing. And these are the subnets, and the last is the host, and for each of the classes there is network and host. And here this is a network, this is a LAN, this is another LAN, and this one root router, and this one is another LAN. It is the router is attached with switch statement, and the switch is attached to another switch, and its IP address is 172.168.0.0. FA is fast ether, and S is serial and out. And here it has marketing of 24 hosts, and here research of 60 hosts, and here the management is 15 hosts. And here for the address class B 255 to 55 to 50 to 44 0 according to the problem, and the subnet is 4, and the growth is 4, and the subnet needed is 8, and the number of hosts is that is 60, number of address is 60, and the total number of largest subnet is 120, and IP address range for the research is 172 to 116 to 255, and here 322 to 255, and for management is 64.02 255, and for serial connection 960 to 255. And through this the IP address and the subnetting is used to solve the problem.